My husband Mike is Guyanese, and his Auntie Sandy makes the best pepper pot. I love eating this dish at Christmas time with a thick piece of flatbread and a hot cup of tea. In Guyana, oxtail. In my big dish, tender, primo crosscut veal shank, aka Osso Buco. Habanero peppers. Put the pep in my pepper pot. Wow. Beautiful color and flavor. Classic pepper pot gets its color and flavor from hard-to-find cassareep. Cassava syrup. This mix of molasses, lime, and soy makes for a yummy stand-in. Reduced veal stock to take my dish all the way up.
Hey, there's that spice mix we made earlier. Oh, that looks good.
Twice as much flavor in the zest than there is in the fruit. Toasted breadcrumbs with even more orange zest. Thyme, garlic for a yummy crunch. Time to plate up.
Well, it's about time. Wow, reminds me of Christmas.
just to lighten it up.